Welcome back, guys. Let me ask you a question. Do you walk around your house completely butt naked and then you have a giant sliding glass door? Or if you don't do that, maybe the highly intelligent engineers of your house decided to put a big ass window where you take a dump or maybe where you shower. I've got a solution for you. So of course, this is just regular glass. You can see out and you can also see in exactly the same. So I got reflective tint. So I can see out, but you can't see in because it reflects. That's the gist of it. So on the inside of this tube, there's a few things. There's the most adorable little spray bottle you've ever seen. There is a cutting device and a squeegee. It's pretty cool. So of course, step one, clean your nasty window. But of course, you could be lazy. You only have to clean the inside, not the outside. So once you take it out of the box, get your tools out, you're gonna need to measure it out. So measure your window, see how big it is, put it up there, mark it if you want to. It does come with a razor, so you can go through and put a razor on there. Or if you know the measurements of your window, grab a tape measure, go through that and cut it. You just cut it on the floor with some scissors. Line it up, make sure everything fits, and now we can take it down and we can peel off the backing. You can see right here, there is a tab and it says peel here. Once you start peeling this back, that's the layer right there that's gonna be stuck to your window. But first, you can use the provided water bottle or you can have one of your own, dog not included. And then come over here, spritz the window. We're gonna peel that off, slap it on there, make sure it's adjusted to where we want it. And then while we have it up there, we're going to squeegee that water out. Once we squeegee that water out, it's gonna stick to the window. So we've got it generally placed up there and we've got the water so we can move it around a little bit. We probably needed to add a little bit of soap, but once you get it there, you can see, you can kind of have like air pockets in there. Just real quick, you can go through it with the squeegee, and if you want to, you can spritz some water on there and it'll make your squeegee glide a whole lot easier. And once you get it up there and squeegee off all the water, make sure you take a look back. There's a few places that are still coming up. Like right here, I have a part that just keeps coming up. If you want to fix that, you just need to spray, peel it back, spray some more water, squeegee it back out. I guess water is the thing that makes it easier to adhere or creates the adhesion. So I've got spots up here and two little spots over there. But you can see the difference in the inside tinting, which looks pretty good, still lets in the light. So let's check what it looks like on the outside. And you can also see down here on the ground, this is the tinted sunlight that's coming in, and this is the untinted sunlight that's coming in. And this is what it looks like outside. It is fully reflective. You can see the lights that I have inside the house. You can see my arm, but you can see the lights inside, but you cannot see through. So whatever's on the inside of your house, people cannot see. The other side, it does not look like that. That's just the screen. So over here, you can look inside and see the difference. And even if you come up really close, you still cannot see inside. So it's not like you can come up here and try to look inside. All right, now we're moving to nighttime. So when it is dark outside, of course, we've got our clear side over here. You can kind of see halfway. I've got the screen here and no screen. So you really can't tell a difference. Again, same thing over here, screen's about halfway. It's reflective, just like normally at night. But if I turn the lights off, you can see it's pretty clear. It's actually a lot clearer on the camera, which is surprising. But I do have one light that's up here in the corner, so you can see pretty easy to see out of. And the tint over here makes it a little bit more difficult to see out. So nighttime visibility isn't the best, but again, this is through a camera, so this is actually not that clear. And if we go outside, again, there's a little light up there. Nothing else has changed. Looking in, The untinted one is very, very clear, and the one that used to be reflective in the sunlight is now just slightly tinted. But that is with the light on. If we turn the light off, this is what we get. You basically cannot see anything on the inside. This is the tint inside, you can't see a single thing, and the untinted side, you can't see a single thing on the inside, because it's dark.